Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 3-bedroom semi-detached property. This is Alton from Taylor Wimpey. This is located at Trinity Fields, Harrogate, Yorkshire. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the kitchen with living, dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. On the second floor you have the master bedroom with the ensuite. Now, as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, kitchen, and living. So, in this particular model, you're getting the kitchen towards the front. So, you're stepping inside your kitchen with the dining. The space looks okay. You have the worktop spread out on 3 different sides with various cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You have the gas hob in this particular model. If you want to go for the electric, you can. And there's a window towards the kitchen side, so plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. And they provided space for the fridge freezer to come towards this side. If you want to plan it towards the other side of the kitchen, you can still do that because it's coming back of the door. And since there's a worktop partition towards the other side, you can plan your dining table. Now moving towards the living room, which is coming behind the kitchen. So this is the living room. The space looks okay. You can plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set, and you get good room space to walk around. You have this wide French door access towards the garden behind. Since you have these French doors, there's plenty of light falling in the living space. So this is the garden which is coming behind. You'll get a decent garden with fence around it. And in between the living and the kitchen, you're getting the washroom in the ground floor. So just before moving towards the first floor, let's check out the washroom in the ground floor. So this is the washroom in the ground floor. The space looks okay. You have the water closet sink and they gave an exhaust. You don't have any windows in this washroom. Now before moving towards the first floor, let's check out the storage space which is coming towards the front. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side. And they've given the mains in here. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. Exploring the first bedroom of the house. So this is a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed or a king size bed and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window in this bedroom, so plenty of light falls in here. And towards the front, they have planned the entire wall with the wardrobe. Apart from that, you also have an additional storage space in this room. So you can plan some kind of storage in here. Overall, a decent room with good space. Now, just beside the first bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. The space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet sink, and they gave an exhaust. You don't have a window even in this bathroom. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So this is a single bedroom. You can plan a single bed, or you can use this as a workspace, study, anything you want to. You're getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light falls in the space. So these are the rooms on the first floor. Now let's check out the master bedroom, which is coming on the second floor. The window on the landing is good. It's quite wide, so plenty of light falls on the staircase. So in these type of properties, they try to maximize the space on the top floor. So this is the master bedroom of the house. Very spacious and comfortable. You can plan a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting windows on both the sides, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. Now let's check out the ensuite. So the space inside looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet sink, and they gave a skylight window. So plenty of light and good ventilation even in the bathroom. Well, there's plenty of space in the bedroom towards both the sides, but they haven't planned a wardrobe in this. So wherever you feel comfortable, you can plan a cupboard. So we covered all the rooms in the property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.